It's chore time. Maggie's being a very good helper for the most part and helping us move the chickens. The chicks, I don't know if y'all have seen in a while, they're huge. Probably in another week or so they're going to be ready to free range within the netting to start. Hang out maybe with the hens. They don't seem to care for Maggie too much yet, but they're all getting to know each other. What's going on, crazy girl? Shake it out. Whatever. You do you, girl. You do you. Oh my. We need to get out more. Stalkers. Hello ladies, how's it going? It's been a while. Look how big you are. Still trying to escape, huh? I don't suggest it. What do you think? Yeah? Getting big. It's almost time to start free ranging some more. The hens aren't happy. They'll get used to you though. Show off. Still? I don't know why y'all are stalking me. Because y'all should be looking for food. I don't have any. You're balking like you've never been fed before in your life. Now I know where your sister gets it from. Hey! What's your story?